jukebox is playing a honky-tonk song. One more I keep saying, and then I'll go home. What good would it do me? I know what I'll find. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. The people are dancing and having their fun. I just keep on thinking about what you have done to try and forget you. I turn to the wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Alone and forsaken, so blue I could cry. I just sit here thinking and drinking till the bottle runs dry. My pockets are empty, my last glass of wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Alone and forsaken, so blue I could cry. I just sit here drinking until the bottle runs dry. My pockets are empty, my last glass of wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind.
My G was out of Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner, and we're trying something new this week. We're doing the whole show inside the upholstery shop. The door is down, and we don't have the parking lot, so with the door open, so we don't have as much room, but it's a lot cozier, isn't it, Paul?
It's warmer.
It's warmer, and the windows are going to get us. And when it's raining, we can do it. And the ladies showed up, Dr. Teresa and Dr. Kathy, and Judy, who I haven't seen in a little bit of a while. I was so happy to see Judy show up with Cody, and of course Cody Bryant, my good friend. Thank you, Cody, for coming up.
Did you forget about our non-disclosure agreement?
Yes, I was going to put you behind the screen, but I left it at home.
We finally found a building that would let us in.
He says, put me in back, and that's as back as I could get him. And I want to thank you for wearing that hat. That is a good, isn't that a great looking hat?
That's a great hat.
Dan Hugh got on bass and with helping Kim with all the technical stuff. And John Palmer on drums. Woo-hoo. And, you know, it's the regular band. Cody's kind of our guest sit-in guy this week because he's not here because, what's his name? Gary's in Jersey with the association doing a big concert somewhere. So he's got to be having fun.
He's having fun.
And again, my daughter Kim is doing a great job. And Brandon and Kim and I went through a little thing this week where he ended up with a little like infection, and we ended up at the hospital. And he spent about 3 days there, but he's fine. They had control. He's home now, and he's doing good, isn't he, Kim? Yep. Yeah. But we spent a few hours this week hanging out with the doctors, the cool people. All right, Paul.
Yeah.
You got one more?
Yeah.
I guess we're the only two singers, I guess, technically.
That's,
So you're going to be doing a lot of singing because I don't want to do too much.
It appears we're the only two people with microphones.
I know, well,
But we could ask Dan to holler aloud.
yeah.
There's a Hank Snow song called Miller's Cave. Kind of a two-beat. 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1. Way down in the state of Georgia, among the swamps and the Everglades, there's a hole in Tiger Mountain. God help the man who gets lost in Miller's Cave. I had me a girl in Waycross, Georgia, but she had an unfaithful way. She made me feel I wasn't wanted, like the bats and the bears in Miller's Cave. I caught her around one Sunday morning, out with a man they call Big Dave, about the meanest man in Waycross, Georgia. I'd rather fight a mountain lion in Miller's Cave. I said, you'll pay, both you and Davy. I will see you in your grave. They laughed at me, and then I shot 'em, and I dragged their cheating, scheming bones to Miller's Cave. Yeah, that woman made me feel unwanted, but I showed them I was brave. Most wanted man in the state of Georgia, but they're never gonna find me 'cause I'm lost in Miller's Cave.
Miller's Cave, nice feel on that, Paul.
Thank you, Carmine.
How's the family? How'd Christmas and everything go last week?
Christmas was fun. Everybody got lovely presents from Santa
Good,
Claus,
good.
and we all got together and had, good eats and lots of fun, and it was great. How about
Everything
you?
went- oh, yeah, we had a big thing at Tony's house. There was- Santa came again. It was great fun.
Beautiful.
We do it every year. It's something to see, really. You got to come sometime and check that out. Anyway, Dan, what'd you do for Christmas? That's interesting. And did the light come on? Yeah, did the light come on when you opened the door? Okay, well, get that fixed. Cody,
Yeah,
what do you got?
chill. I'm chill on this show.
You chilling the show?
I'm chill on this show.
Cody's kicking back. All right, maybe I'll sing one. Did you want to do an instrumental? Under the double eagle, right?
Yeah.
God, it's been so long, I forgot where the bridge went to. I went to the 4 to the 1, I thought it went to the 2. I missed all that. I know, forget about it. Good song, though, good song. Ask me if I'll miss my baby. Guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. You know I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God asked me a girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. I got it. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. Who knows, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Tony Bryant. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. I guess I will every day. And I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. through it?
Yeah. Anybody heard? Ooh, I don't know.
Don't like it, but I guess songs go that way sometimes. Dan, you're not gonna sing tonight. Not right now, huh? Neither is he. Okay, well, Paul, hit us with something.
All right.
It's still cold enough to knock us out of tune for a little bit. But I'll get it in tune and then it'll be so great.
Give us a minute while we tune up, folks.
I know what I'm doing. I'm doing.
Should be time for popcorn or maybe whatever it is and get a snack.
I'm not that far out. They'll say that. All right, what do we got?
Together again. The gray skies are gone now. You're back in my arms, right where you belong. The love that we knew is living again, and nothing else matters. We're together again, together again. My tears have stopped falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The key to my heart you hold in your hand, and nothing else matters now. We're together again. Together again. My tears have stopped falling. The long, lonely nights are now at an end. The love that we knew is living again, and nothing else matters. We're together again. No, nothing else matters. We're together again. Nothing like it. You guys sound great.
You know, I remember the first time I ever met Cody. Marty LaFever told me, you got to get by this Viva. Back then, I think we called it Viva Fresh. Am I right?
It was Viva Fresh.
It was Viva Fresh for a long time. And I went in there, and
You're trying to steal my gig.
no. I was trying to steal Johnny Blankenship's gig, and I had no chance. You, I might have had a chance. No, I didn't. But anyway, I got in there, and he was pleased. You were sitting by the door with the little petition. It was before they built the stage. That's how far back it was.
I
And
played with him.
you were there, and he sounded so good. I just sat there and thought, man, who's this guy? And we've been friends ever since. Cody, I just love the way you play. You're a great player.
Great player.
And he plays about 6 other instruments too. You know, he's so good at everything: fiddle, banjo, all of it.
And he knows a million songs.
He does. So I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing here. This should be Cody's Country Corner. You know, tonight we should just call it Cody's Country Corner. How's that? That rhymes.
Has a nice ring to it.
Yeah, it does. You know.
You're reading this just like I wrote it, and I'm kind of proud of you right now.
I'm pretty good when I get on a roll, ain't I, Cody?
I like your writer. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna try something. Train beat. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Cody Bryant! That old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. Now, the white freight line is gonna satisfy my See Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. I'll give you 2 next time, Paul, I promise. If you see Miss Caroline, tell her I'm doing fine. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white satisfy my mind. All right, Paul, do at least two. Old dog bite, and people they will treat you fine. That old dog bite, and people they will treat you fine. Yeah, Paul. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy mine. Oh, we had fun on that one. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Cody Mann. See, you know, I have to work all day doing upholstery. He sits home all day and practices guitar. You make me sick.
Well, if you've seen my sewing, you know
Yeah,
what
well-
I think with guitar. You get those lines straight on.
I love
Go
you.
through so much
Oh, I
material.
love Cody.
going
Brian.
away.
Paul, what do we got?
Key of the E.
Oh, babe,
find yourself outside of me. What you gonna do? You know I am sick and tired of fooling around with you. This is the last time I'm telling you to change your ways. Telling you, oh woman, I mean what I say. This is the last time I'm telling you to quit that jive. You're gonna find yourself outside, old babe. What you gonna do? You know I'm sick and tired of fooling around with you. Oh, babe, what you gonna do? Oh, babe, what you gonna do? You know I am sick and tired of fooling around with you.
Blue, broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Now I never felt so down and out. I never felt so without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me. I'm holding to a memory, and since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Hi, Cody. to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Let it ring, boys. Thank you. Carmine's Country Corner, doing country music for over 5 years. Have a lot of different people come up, people like Cody, JD, all kinds of great players come around, and we always have a good time. We had a good Christmas show last week, didn't we, Paul?
Yes, we did.
Now, Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa could not make it because Dr. Teresa had this big thing going on.
Yeah, she had a competing show.
She did.
The
and,
Dr. Teresa show.
And I don't know, she might have had more people than we did, I think. That's what I'm hearing anyway. But I heard it went very well for you, Dr. Teresa, and I'm glad you pulled it off. Good for you. So that's great stuff. Everybody's in the Christmas spirit. Except for Cody. I'm just kidding. Well, that's a big one, too, you know.
Well, what's the one,
Wait, here we go.
the Hank Williams, Bill Monroe one?
Oh, that is, I'm Blue and Lonesome.
Oh, that's a great song.
If you're into it?
Yeah.
I hope it does. You too, it's gonna take all the fun out of it.
These two cannibals, right? They're eating a clown. One says to the other one, hey, does this taste funny?
Close enough for government work.
What is this fascination with tuning?
You know, folks out there, if you're watching us on Facebook, make sure you push share, like and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, please subscribe. With the subscribe numbers are going up, Paul. People are subscribing to us.
that's
Oh, the
what-
thumbs up. Yeah, that one. Is that it? Is that how you do it? Dan's giving me some technical stuff that I don't know.
How much does it cost to subscribe?
Doesn't cost anything. It's
No.
free.
You can't make a living with
It's
that?
well, who's trying to make a living? We're just trying to have fun.
Oh, okay.
Hell, if I was trying to make a living, I'd get a job. Hey,
Don't mind me, I got the old cape on.
So 151, you want to
Blue
do
and Lonesome too.
cheating. He's using a capo.
I was just vamping the Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. The lonesome sound of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
You know, when Cody's here, I don't miss Gary as much. But I miss Gary. I love Gary Swan. He's great. He'd be singing right now with us. You know, he'd be.
He's out making the big bucks.
He's making big money, yeah. I forget it.
Let the kid go. Let him rise up.
You know, we're still right next door to Bob Smith Toyota, Paul.
They're practically next door.
You could reach out and touch him, yeah. If you
Yeah.
need a Toyota or any car work, go see Bob Smith. He's just across the street there.
Christmas tree sales.
All right, what are we doing? You want to do another one?
Sure.
I'll do another one after you, and you'll do one, and then we'll go home. Thanks for watching, folks. We're having fun. It's working out real good inside, isn't it? So far. I like the way it sounds. I can hear everything, yeah.
Just a little shuffly thing. Key of G. I think G is good. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. The bottle is almost empty. The clock just now struck 10. Darling, I had to call you to our favorite place again. I know it's wrong for us to meet, but the fire's gone out at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Your lips so warm and tender, and your arms hold me just right. Sweet words of love you remember, that the one at home forgot. Each time we say it's the last time, but we keep on keeping on. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire's gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home.
He's calling the shot. I
That's
love it.
fine.
It's Cody's Country.
Cody Bryan's Country Corner tonight, folks. He's calling all the shots.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you, you're calling some really cool songs.
And if your big ass is going through your auto seat, it's all worn out.
That's
you
right.
come up here, he'll take.
Come to me and I'll make some money on you, baby.
Yeah, that's right.
Paul, what do you got?
I'll do that one that
Okay.
Cody suggested. I'm just thinking of the.
We have a new
I'm thinking. I'm
show
hoping-
director, a music director here now, Cody Bryant.
I'm just hoping I can remember most of the words.
Oh, you'll get through it.
I think, and the key. I think it's G. You know who wrote this song?
Who?
Keith Allison and Mark Lindsay from the Raiders. What are those guys called? The Paul Revere and the Raiders.
Oh, yeah, I saw them live once in
They wrote
Vegas.
this song.
They put on a good show.
Oh yeah. Well, I was born in the Southland.
Play some.
I think Paul's got it.
He's got it covered yet.
Paul's got it covered.
20 some odd years ago.
See?
Give the man some room.
Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick a cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I got a gal in Cincinnati. I got a woman in San Antonio. I always loved the girl next door. Any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, I got this worn out guitar, carrying an old tote sack. Pawned it about 100 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. to that hard road. Every foot a back road, every mile a railroad track.
Yeah,
We killed it.
yeah.
We
He got the
nailed it.
words. He nailed the words. He got the words.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. They said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. Thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. Now I often wonder why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took that guitar meter down in Tennessee. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew we used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away. Yeah, it'll lead you to an early grave. Somebody play something. Paul Marshall. Yeah, I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it. I went up in the woods and I cried. Now I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Milk it, Paul. You can close it out tonight. Folks, thanks for watching. This is the first time we tried like doing the whole show inside, because I have kind of a small place. Over at Bob Smith, we had all kinds of room, and it was a big, like a car showroom, and we turned it into a studio. But I think it went very well. I'm anxious to get home and watch the rerun. Kim, I love you. Everything went good?
Perfect.
Okay, man. She said perfect, and I'm going with that. So we're going to have Paul close it out. Dan, thank you for helping us out. Of course, John Palmer, whom I love. Ladies, for showing up. Appreciate y'all. Cody, I can't thank you enough. You did a mighty fine job.
And you as well, and I'm gonna ask you back.
Yes, and I'll call you and I got a few more guys to audition and then I'll call you and let you know what I decided. Okay?
Yeah, you got my number.
Okay, Paul, what do we got?
Dark Hollow.
Oh, yeah.
A, yes. A, 2, 3.
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. sign.